We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, it depends on who you ask. You know, some people would say that KUTCHIE did a video openly this Admiral Bailey. You know, some people would have said that him just state KUTCHIE openly state that Admiral Bailey owe him $75,000 and he wants his money now. While some people say, boy, KUTCHIE this the man because he need to come on social media for do that, and because them all big man. So you know that some people, yeah, I tell you how people stay, you know, and this is it, you know. You see when them know that you have some people say, look here, we not have a problem on them thing. You see when them know say you know people, we know about men. So you know that yeah, so people who know us and know so we know about men. Them I send the video and all of these things. And I say, well, so true, yeah. So this is it now. Oh, so true, yeah. Bailey a big friend and you know touch it on them thing there. And some man I say, boy, but yeah, KUTCHIE a friend, and so we can't tell you on them thing there. I don't know what people call friend because you know knowing somebody, I see them and hear them talk, and because you know them before you're police, it don't make sense you're the person. You just have a certain amount of respect for them. We know them. I know both men, so I'm not going to pretend like I know them. I know Admiral Bailey personally, and I know KUTCHIE personally. I know Admiral Bailey before I was a police officer. So I want thing with me, I not deny people. I'm not going to pretend like I'm better than nobody. And the connection to Admiral Bailey stretches back long before his days, before my days as a police officer. And thanks to my family ties and close relationship with legendary Uri. So Uri is a man that come from Jonestown, born and raised and them thing. The reason why Uri moved from Jonestown, I telling you this, why Uri moved relocate from Jonestown to Clinking Avenue to a labor right community, because I see him PMP gunman them. Every time the man go on tour and come back, the man them in a community I terrorize the man. You understand? So like him go tour for them and them thing. So that's why I move going on a labor right community. You understand? And it was totally different. So I see him. Remember saying Uri, I come from country and them thing, and Jonestown, them man they born and raised. And I see him people them at Jonestown, Uri, I have to leave. So from them time the extortion I start, you know, every time the big man go foreign, go do him show them and come back, man them I come check him with gun and want money. So you know say alright, he might call say I move from this and got Cockburn, Clinking Avenue in a Cockburn pen. So that's how we know Uri, that's how we as youth and them thing, because our father and Uri are friend. And yeah, so it go all the way back. So my father used to go there, and so that's why I know all of them man. I know and Joseph will tell you and them thing. That's why I tell a man and them thing. Now when me hear some people say something about Joseph Will, that are news to me and them thing there. You understand? I know Joseph Will and even all them, I don't remember him name and them thing there. Him did the round. I don't see him right now. I don't remember him name. Indian brother. The man ain't real crab up on them thing there, but and then they lick him down over pass it forward. I don't remember him name right now. One Indian brother, man, a dangerous and them thing there. But all of them man, you know, you go way back from in the 70s, 80s, we know all of them man. So when I was a police officer and them thing there, I never have no problem with any of these men. them show me respect and I show them respect. Admiral Bailey, whether or not you want to believe it, I can't tell anyone on this. Admiral Bailey, I'm always out of corner, cling and Olympic way. The man in a busy with man and them criminality. And you never hear the man they give a man no money for buying a gunshot, no money for, and the man in involve and promote war and all of them things there. You understand? Like how you will hear other artists, even Josie Whale. As much as you hear them say things about Josie Whale, you never hear say Josie Whale encourage nobody to kill nobody and them things. I tell you that. So that's why you never hear we say anything bad about them man. You don't know, I saw it go on them thing and I get to your bar, you grow rough. So right now, as this video now with Admiral Bailey, we make you see Admiral Bailey and NITTY KUTCHIE say boy, yeah, you know, we still make you see the video and them thing there. So you are a pioneer figure in Jamaican music, hail from Jonestown, Kingston 12, and it was through this shared community bond that Sir Porter became acquainted with Admiral Bailey. So this early connection laid the foundation for a relationship that spanned both personal and professional lines. I can tell you this, I asked Pepe Goodison, and we are sure because you know there are some guy at this and that. We don't listen to idiots and dummies and them thing there, and activists and people. You understand what I'm saying? So Pepe, our brother and them thing there, where them did kill in America. Yeah. So him, yeah, the man, you know, when I see my repeat him name and them thing there. So I did the funeral when a Pepe cousin did want it. And we are showing you the power of some people and them thing there. So so in time Pepe brother named Bongo. So in time we hold on to the cousin on him did want it enough for shooting, him did a foreign and him come down and all of them things there from England. So Admiral Bailey and Josie Whale. You don't know. Josie Whale and my father, friend. When I say friend, big friend and them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? So and you right. So the son you know at the funeral and them thing there and hold him and Bobby and you don't know a funeral you know and them two Admiral Bailey and Josie Whale say boy we don't say more wanted and thing. Why show you the difference you know? At no time it's a funeral procession you know. So we get information and say it's gonna be there. So we intercept the, you know, as police and them thing there, take him outside, and at no time, not even an ounce of vitriol was mount, you know, anybody echo any form of resentment was doing our work or anything like that. No one ever attack us whether verbally or physically. But yeah, just listen, you know. This kind of behavior is unusual of them things. That's why we tell you, say, we know who are the problem them in Jamaica. So it's a funeral and this man wanted to hold on upon him. Nobody no rush, nobody no say nothing. We don't talk about because of we. You understand? Admiral Bailey and Josie will say, alright, you know, so when somebody call you by your first name and say, Chris, we know say you do your work on them thing there. Just make him come at a funeral. After a funeral, we carry him come at unspeak come here. We just ask you that. I would say, alright, cool. Ask Admiral Bailey. Bongo funeral. Ask Pepe too. Even Pepe did that. Nobody. We tell us nobody no cuss we and this and all dirty police and a fighting and a fight. Nobody. None of the goodies in them. Nobody. No one said any disparaging remarks against us or them you know, say, boy, because them are poor people and are ghetto people. Nobody. It was very respectful. And we talk about maybe over 1,000 people did go a Bongo funeral. That's a Pepe brother. Gunman, you know, and you understand. Him and one youth where they live side and side and them rob the youth him money and the youth just lower him back and then them kill him and them find him body in the Everglades. So that's the respect where you, when you're a police officer, you build with the community. That's them. That could have happened. A man wanted. And the people them ask because you know the respect where them and man have in a, both men have in a community. And if the man give them road, you as a police officer, so you work with the community, you know. Alright, the man them say, alright, we bring him, and after the funeral them did bring him come on spear and charge him, and you understand what I'm saying? Yes, I tell you. So as police you can use a discretion too, because we don't know say Bongo all corrodes and all them things, but you understand what I'm saying? Ask Pepe, because we and Pepe good, we know Pepe, all them family, them and them thing, because most of Pepe family in England, them there, them thing, you understand? So, moving on. So I just saw it go. So that I one incident. That I only time in our police career we ever have a, almost said talk with deal with Admiral Bailey and Josie will when they come on to anything to do with policing. We just see them man we and them just reason and that's just it. The man they are an informer. The man they are telling we not ask the man about because we know how it go, because get where we come from. So we just see them man and show them respect and them show with the man in not disrespect we and the man in not go like them better than we and all of them things there. You understand? I just saw it go. Whether or not you want to believe it, Admiral Bailey is not a friendly person, we I tell you that, very respectful man. He's not you understand? So my people them hack up pen say boy, one of the meanest artists ever. I don't know about that, you understand what I'm saying? When I say I don't know about that, I can't avoid what them say. You understand? Admiral Bailey and like Josie Whale and them man there. You understand? Josie Whale totally different from most DJ and them thing there. Josie Whale and Bounty Killer totally different. You understand? Yeah, I just saw it go. So moving on. So as we telling now, so we know we cross later though. My association with another dancer legend, Bounty Killer, cross paths, and I saw me meet NITTY KUTCHIE, Elephant Man, Boom Down the Night with dead, Bounty Killer brother BAILEY. Me know BAILEY before Bounty Killer get bigger and before even Killer get bigger and them thing because I saw now Bounty Killer now in up a jail because when BAILEY did wanted and hold on Bounty Killer I say no I not him because you have to know the two of them different because them look like identical twin are twin because are two are black people and they resemble and you have to really pay attention to people details. You understand? So Bounty Killer is a towering figure in dancehall known for his influences and collaborations, play a key role in the introduction. So the relationship with both men, Admiral Bailey and NITTY KUTCHIE, was rooted in mutual respect and a sheer love for the culture that has shaped Jamaican music. So these relationships reflect a deep connection between music, community and respect in Jamaica, where personal and professional worlds often intersect. So that, yours truly, unique position, knowing both Admiral Bailey and NITTY KUTCHIE through different stages of life, underscore the cultural significance of these figures within the dancehall scene. It also highlights our journey through law enforcement and music as shaped by the iconic personalities of the community. So right now, so as I tell you, we make you watch a video. We so make you see it on them thing there. Yeah, we make you see a video on them thing there with we know so the goldfish them gone a long time. yeah. Where NITTY KUTCHIE why talk about Admiral Bailey who me money. So renowned dancehall artist NITTY KUTCHIE recently took to social media to voice his frustration in a public video calling out veteran DJ Admiral Bailey for allegedly owing him a significant sum of $75,000. We don't know if a US or Jamaican, but we just more or less maybe a Jamaican. We have a number for Admiral Bailey, we don't have a number for NITTY KUTCHIE, and we never try to call Admiral Bailey. And after we do this video, we'll call him and see if he's willing to talk about the matter. So according to NITTY KUTCHIE, Admiral Bailey had been avoiding him, refusing to settle the debt and causing immense stress in the process. So, and it was a big man thing, and I don't know all a big man like NITTY KUTCHIE I use all the word dog. NITTY KUTCHIE the man is a big man, You're supposed to lead by example. You're not supposed to have, with the low IQ behavior. Because we growing up in Jamaica and know say dog eat certain things and dog eat all them on vomit. So we're not talking about a metaphor. Some things we can't use taboo and because something acceptable now and them things. No, but then acceptable. So why you want it accepted now? Let me say erode our culture. So we have to maintain our culture as a people. If we're not, we're going to end up as a people as Americans without American culture. And in America and them thing there, if you're looking at the most crime infested place in America where black people them live, in the city. In America, if you live in a city, you have to live like prisoner with grill in a your building and them thing there. But you live in a suburb where you're not on a grill. But yet still, who taught us to be violent? So we don't want to lose with Jamaican culture and adapt to American culture. We are not American, we are Jamaican. So the situation has clearly escalated to the point where NITTY KUTCHIE feel compelled to make a public public issue, demanding his payment in a forceful and direct manner. In his words, he's not running down Admiral Bailey like Usain Bolt, but he simply wants what is owed to him. Him say a big man thing, but I not run it down. Me not run it down like Usain Bolt, you know. Usain Bolt not run no man for your money, you know. So this public service announcement from NITTY KUTCHIE is more than just a demand for money. It's a call for accountability and respect. What kind of person would owe someone a debt and hide from them rather than addressing the matter head on? If these allegations are true, it's truly disheartening to see someone of Admiral Bailey's stature involved in such a situation. So we know, so we're in the 21st century, you know, things we used to do one time and you can't do it no more on them things because this is way man do not shame Bailey publicly if it's true. So as someone who has known both men personally, I can attest to Admiral Bailey's long-standing reputation in the community. You know, having known him long before my days as a police officer and through my family ties with URI and the other influential figures like Josie Wales in Cockburn Penny area. You know, I can vouch for the respect he garnered not only from the community but also from the police force when I was there. Admiral Bailey has long been a figure of respect and admiration, both in the Kingston metropolitan area and across Jamaica. So, however, respect is a two-way street. If these claims by NITTY KUTCHIE hold any truth, it's important for Admiral Bailey to address the situation and restore his reputation. No amount of success or community respect should excuse evading one's financial responsibilities. Public figures, especially those who have earned trust and admiration over years, must be held to a high standard. So if Admiral Bailey is truly a man of integrity that many believe him to be, he should come forward, clear the air and resolve this matter. So in the dancehall community, trust and reputation are everything. Letting such an issue tarnish one's name, reputation, especially after decades of respect, is sad prospect. Hopefully this matter can be resolved swiftly and both men can move on in a positive direction. And we know nobody no bad feeling. So we are making a listen to NITTY KUTCHIE tell you about boy Admiral Bailey owe him money and a big man thing for PM. So you watch, you listen and you decide. Hey, look here. We're not calling the balls and no guy them thing there. We just as the people them say, because they might behave like say boy, we don't want nobody not them thing, but we still are, just make you watch, you listen and you decide.
Yeah, people at Jamaican life set up a way. You try to make things work with your people and try to make them be a family and come like it just can't work. What type of pattern set up now? A man who keep stress free and I try to put people in a stress. Admiral Bailey, me ask if you pay me money dog, you owe me 75,000 and come like you're hiding a ground dog. It'll be a violation that. When I never did that, me have too much respect for him brother. See him? I may come like me if you run down like a Usain Bolt for money. Usain Bolt don't never run down the man for money. So listen to the pattern set now Admiral Bailey. When I like you pay me, see him? Big man thing. Stop growing and hide from studio and ask if me dead before you go there. Just pay me money, brother. More than never do that, here. Respect and manners, here, dada. People, if you know Admiral Bailey, tell him to pay me 75,000. Stop hide, stop spin, man. Be a stress-free man, you keep a showing them stress-free every Sunday. Be stress-free, dog.
Yeah, so this is my message to NITTY KUTCHIE. I have to address NITTY KUTCHIE first. You know, as a people, especially in the Jamaican context, the way we refer to one another has shifted dramatically over the years. One striking change is the growing normalization of calling each other dogs. This is a term that not too long ago would have sparked immediate confrontation. That means you had a fight. Oh, we as a people get so desensitized. When I was growing up, being called a dog was one of the gravest insults you could throw at someone. In fact, it was often seen as an attack on one's character, integrity and humanity. And it was entirely justifiable according to community values at the time to defend your honor. So, we are dishonor each other now, NITTY KUTCHIE. What kind of example you are set now to the youth them? Virgin, come on, man. No, or you behave like you're a low IQ person, so. Be intelligent, man. Nobody follow no American. We are not American. We are Jamaican. Jamaican normally lead, not follow. When me I grew up on them thing, our culture import them export it from Jamaica to America. Or we are export. Or we are instead of we are export our culture, we are import people culture when I have nothing to do with it. In fact, it was often seen as an attack on one's character, integrity, and humanity, and it was entirely justifiable according to community values at the time to defend your honor if a man call you dog. So if someone dare to call you that, back then, we normalize it now. Back then words carry weight and value of respect and dignity. We are deeply ingrained in the society. Referring to someone as a dog was dehumanizing, suggested that they were worthless or without morals standing. Our reasons need to go to wham. Why you get worthless or without moral standing, virgin? Shift man, lead, be a leader, lead the youth them, make the youth them have self-worth. Devalue them or devalue themselves. You is a man where the youth them look up to. You're supposed to be a role model. We're not talking about your past. Every man, everybody, all of us, none of us not perfect. You understand? I'm not going to talk about your past and all of them things. Your Admiral Bailey past and them things. Because no one not perfect. You understand? We know that. The use of the term would have resulted in immediate backlash because it cut to the core of a person's self-worth and standing in the community. Respect was non-negotiable, and calling someone a dog violate the core value. So how did we get to this point where we now casually refer to each other with the term that once carries such a heavy negative connotations, man? How we reach this cultural shift? Over time, language and its meanings evolve, often influenced by cultural trends. In Jamaican society and even globally, we have seen terms that were once offensive become normalized, sometimes even embraced in casual speak. Dancehall culture, for example, has contributed to the reappropriation of certain terms. What was once meant as an insult can in some circle now being used as a symbol of camaraderie or toughness. Oh, that I'm gonna call a dog now and that a camaraderie and that is seen as toughness. You know, say an insult is an insult that and immoral. You understand? It shows that you become normalized with this and desensitized. But this doesn't negate the damaging history or implication behind the word. Or we reach a point of erosion of traditional values. As communities change, so do their values. In earlier time, there was a strong sense of pride, dignity, and self-respect among us as black people, as Jamaicans. Insults were not taken lightly because how you are perceived in the community mattered. With the rise of modern influences, media and external cultures, these values have to some extent been diluted. The man them get rid of all of the things that make us as a people. Self-respect, self-worth, self-love, high self-esteem. And we have all the woman them now like. That even clown. Scarecrow. Yeah, remember scarecrow? You have scarecrow in the cornfield. We put on all kind of straw for scare off the bird them. You understand what I'm saying? If you not eat off the corn. And that the woman them reach to now. No self-worth. Man I call woman dog. You understand? And woman I call man brother. And woman I call woman brother. How we reach them thing now? Brother mean a man. So with the rise of modern influence, we export our culture, and instead we are exported and make it stay there. No, we are import for them one. So we only thing we are export, them I export the criminality, and I bring back for them culture. How that? And we are pants down at the body. How that when we were people were respected as Jamaicans. So the rise of social media, music and entertainment has blurred the lines between what is considered offensive and what is deemed acceptable, especially among younger generations. Desensitization, we have become desensitized to terms that were once hurtful when terms like dog are used repeatedly in casual conversation. music and media without negative repercussions that once followed, the sting of insult fades. Over time, people may have even started to see it as a neutral or friendly term, forgetting its deeply disrespectful roots. So just like how you have all a man like ugly some and him thing there, when you grow up you call him dog, because him look like a dog. That's not insult, that's just reality, you understand what I'm saying? It's just that him a dog and him can't talk, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So when you say ugly some now, and you say ugly some look like a dog, him look like a dog for real, a bulldog. I just saw it go. So that wouldn't be no insult, that would be factual. Him look like a bulldog. Yeah, I just saw it go. You understand? So him now him a dog. You understand? Power dynamics, in some cases marginalized group, reappropriate derogatory terms as a way of taking back power. However, with dog, it's questionable whether this has been an empowering shift or simply a reflection of the way we have grown to devalue each other. When we lose respect in our language, it can signal a broader loss of respect in how we view ourselves and each other as human beings. So that's why I tell you, say, if you don't respect yourself, you can't respect others. So yeah, my thing to you, NITTY KUTCHIE, yeah, you know, whether you're vexed or not, they don't stop using the word dog, man, because it's a derogatory word. You understand? We're not talking about dog itself, we're talking about the terminology, the meaning of the word. Where you grew up in a Jamaica, even you, because I know say you're older than me and them thing. Now when you grow and them thing, and a man call a dog a fight. Don't normalize things that are you know, that put you down, man. And lower yourself. So despite these changes, it is important to remember that words matter. Language shapes how we see ourselves and how we treat our brothers and sisters. Words have power. I'm tired to tell people. Words have power. If you keep telling yourself, say you're a dog, you know, let me say you don't value yourself. And I call people say, yo, dog. That's why I tell people, say, when you talk to me, don't refer to me as a dog. The reason why I tell people that, because once you do that, you call yourself dog or I'm a G. Don't call me that. I don't want a man call me no dog, no G, no general, no party, or what the other one of them call her? Some criminal term. No call me that. Until you talk to me, Mr. Porter. Yes. If me and you grew up on them thing there, Chris. Nobody come about no boy, I'm a G. No, me and your G. Me and your general. Me serving in the military, yes, I was never a general. You never serve in it, and if you're serving in the military, you know my rank when me did in the military. And I don't use it no more. So nobody use no terminal, no rank, no military rank for boy, yeah, boss say, me and your general, nothing. You understand? I just saw it go. So me no want no man you know, I tell me say boy, me and them general and them thing there. No, me no know that. So I just saw it go. So despite the changes, it is important to remember words matter. Just always remember that. Referring to someone as a dog may seem harmless on the surface, no, but it reflects a deeper issue of dehumanization. So you dehumanize yourself, NITTY KUTCHIE. As Jamaican, a people known for our rich culture, resilience and pride, we should be wary of how we use language to describe one another. In a time when respect and dignity seem to be losing their place in society, we should hold on to those values that uplift us rather than tear us down. We must ask ourselves, is this truly how we want to see each other as dogs? How we refer to one another is a reflection of how we value one another. So when you refer to yours, you refer to Admiral Bailey as dog. Me never hear, me listen to all Joe's Wheel and all them, and me never hear the man they use no word as dog or super cat and all them man. Me never hear Peter Metro them, all them man they are using the word as dog. Because the man they know say dehumanize yourself. Words have power, but in time people ignorant and illiterate, that's what them do. NITTY KUTCHIE, me know say you're intelligent, you're not dummy. Me not talk about your pass. Everybody and them think they have a pass. You understand? And everybody are going to have squeaky clean. Yeah, so as you know, data is key. Anything that you're doing in life, if you don't respect data, you're going to be in problems. So, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have the greatest respect for data. So that's the reason why, so we have to break the video right here, and then we'll continue the journey. So by breaking the video right here, you know that we're addressing the issue at hand right now, because we cannot, as we have stated to you before, data is key. Without data, say, boy, you're going to perish in the system. Yeah, because everything in our numbers, and I like back in the idea where people just willy-nilly and just do things. Right now, people work with data because data is very, very important. And, once you abide by data, you can't miss. That's all life is, yeah. So, I was stated before, we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting new video series. Due to time constraint, we have broken down today's video into multiple segments to ensure you get the most of each part. So if you are eager to watch the full video and gain access to exclusive content, we encourage you to subscribe and support us on Patreon. Click the link in the description box to join our Patreon squad. Please note that full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members, as maintaining our site requires ongoing support, and we have had a limit-free access due to high volume of users, over 3,000 free users. Yeah, that's what going them thing there. When I say a socialism and them thing there, because in this day and age, people love to save money, but you have to understand. Say, look here, even charity, yeah man, yeah man. Remember say, all right, if say you have a Clinton Global Initiative, and that's a charity, and people still have to contribute to charity and them thing there. But some people want charity, but them don't want to contribute to charity. So if we leave now on a charity foundation, it still have, you still have people still have to work, and them thing there. You have to work with budgets and one and two little things, and you understand what I'm saying? Nothing free, not even time, nothing free in this world. Yeah, even education. So if if you have a good education, you have to pay for it. Nothing free. So if you go talk about roadside college and roads and Zinfen University, all of them something that makes it much a real madness that can't really, you understand, help you. Because if you don't understand numbers, your accountant will cheat you out of everything. Yeah. So we want to express our deepest gratitude to our Patreon members. Your support is the backbone of the Jamaica Young Police Channel squad, enabling us to continue producing the content you love. So we are proud to say our squad, including members from around the globe. So we are given by ranking: 1 England, 2 United States of America, 3 Jamaica, 4 Canada, 5 New Zealand, 6 Cayman Islands, 7 Trinidad and Tobago, 8 Sweden, 9 Spain, 10 Germany, 11 Nigeria, 12 South Africa, 13 Italy, 14 Russia, boy may I tell you, 15 Mexico, 16 Barbados, 17 Turks and Caicos Island, 18 Antigua, 19 Uzbekistan, and 20 Bahamas. Yes, but I tell you, 10 times 2 is 20. So your contributions are vital, and we cannot thank you enough for your ongoing support. In today's data-driven world, your feedback is invaluable. The compass guides us as we strive to create content that meets your needs and preferences. We have heard your thoughts about the length of our videos, and we are making changes to better suit your busy lives. We are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes. This will make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring that you can easily engage with and appreciate what we produce. So some people, why join the Jamaica Young Police Channel? Joining our Patreon community isn't just about supporting us. It's about becoming a part of a dedicated group that enjoys exclusive content and risks and special perks. So we are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most loyal supporters. Each video will now conclude with a clear call to action. So once the video go over 30 minutes, we have to, because we have to respect our elders in us. We tell our elders why it's here. Them are the one that push it for a long time. Because them say, say everything we hit the murder and say anything. We love what say the real mama papa truth. We know, you understand? We know ideological misinformation over here. We tell you the real mama papa truth. So each video, and if you not learn anything over here, them say you're the wrong channel. Each video will now conclude with a clear call to action, inviting more of you to join our Patreon family and take full advantage of everything we offer. So your role in our success, we take great pride in responding to your feedback and proactively implementing solutions that cater to your preferences. Your input is crucial to building a supportive community around our channel. It drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. We appreciate your support. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Whether you are watching our videos, giving thumbs up, sharing, supporting us on Patreon, or providing valuable feedback, your contribution is deeply appreciated. Together, we will continue to grow, evolve, and achieve great things. So we look forward to doing so with you by our side. Yeah, so this is part 1 of a 2-part series. So as we tell you, over here on another entertainment channel, so we are educating about things too. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.